one of the weight loss drugs that took the world by storm could soon be much cheaper for patients. The regulator today approving the first generic Ozempic drug in Canada. Leanne Young is here with the details on that. Leanne, so what does this mean for, I guess, anyone who might be considering using Ozempic?
Well, I mean, the hope really is that prices are going to come down. And so that is what's expected. So this is the first generic semaglutide that's been approved by Health Canada. And the agency says they is still reviewing another 8 applications. And, you know, the more of these applications that they approve, the lower the prices are expected to be. So most Canadians might know it by its trade name as Ozempic. So this is the drug that's aimed at treating type 2 diabetes. It's an injectable, but it's widely known for its off-label use, which is as a weight loss drug. And there is the actual weight loss drug, which is also a semaglutide that's included in this Wegovy. And with the approval of this generic drug, it means that patients could be looking at much cheaper version of the drug without the brand name associated, but it's pharmaceutically the same in effectiveness.
We knew it would happen last year, so it's welcome news. And now everybody just wants to know what the prices will be. There's only one manufacturer, well, until now, and that was Novo Nordisk. And the price per day, it's a once a week shot, but per day is about $7.20 a day. So I'm expecting it to go down to $3 a day.
More than half.
Wow.
You know, it's quite a bit lower. That's what we're talking about, right? Some substantial savings. And so Canada is the first G7 country to have this drug approved. And for years, Novo Nordisk actually had the patent around the world. That patent lapsed here in Canada in January. Most other G7 countries, it's expected to expire in the 2030s. There was some sort of paperwork issue that allowed it to end up lapsing. And once it does, Health Canada says it cannot be reversed. And so it's opened this door to the generic drugs. And so today's drug has been approved by a company called Dr. Reddy. It's India-based, and they were actually also approved by health regulators in India just in January. Now, we don't know exactly when this generic version of the drug will come onto the market, but that doctor that I spoke with, he expects that, you know, these drug companies are sitting there ready with their marketing and that within weeks we should be seeing some sort of a shift in the market with these drugs coming online. And he's already noticed that the drug Wegovy has been lowered in price about 3 days ago. And he says that when he went and looked it up at Costco, it went from $450 a month down to $280. And, you know, Novo Nordisk probably foresaw that Health Canada was going to be giving this approval very soon. So they lowered their prices. And Health Canada says it is expecting to make a decision on the other 8 applications in the coming weeks. So hopefully lower prices for Canadians who rely on this drug.
So interesting. So because the patent has expired first in Canada, that's why Canada is the first to make this move.
Yeah.
Thank you very much, Lynn.
You're welcome.